Hello everyone. We received courier from America. So let us see what is inside. You please accompany us. Oh, Shubham, come please. Oh, thank you very much. Let us see what is inside. Please have seat. Have seat. Let us see what is inside.
What a wonderful gift.
Please help. Oh my God. This is silver play button.
Congrats, sir.
This is silver play button. And let me introduce. This is silver play button from YouTube team America. And please. And here is written channel's name presented to English by Vadhva sir for passing 1 lakh subscribers YouTube. And side by there is a letter. Just we are saying what is written in the letter. Please Shubham. This is a letter by YouTube team America. This is by Neil Mohan, YouTube CEO, and especially I'll show it on my status in YouTube. You may read it, whatsoever is written. And this is for passing 1 lakh subscribers. So thank you very much, my audience, my fans who let me reach this milestone. Thank you very much. And one thing more I would like to share, Mr. Shubham Garg, the gentleman from Dhuri, so he helped me a lot because initially when I was uploading videos, you better know, because honesty is the best policy. Initially when I was uploading videos, so they were super desi. But gentleman helped me in editing a lot, how to upload video, what is SEO, how to fill title, how to fill description. So I am highly indebted to this gentleman and also to my Vadhva family who added many more feathers to the cap of my channel. Thank you very much, my Vadhva family and my in-laws family, Aneja family. Thank you very much, and all my audience, all my fans who made me reach this destination, this milestone. And one more thing I would like to announce, that soon we are going to introduce a new channel on social awareness, right? Social awareness. And I hope the same love, the same esteem, the same respect you would shower upon the channel. The niche of the channel would be to highlight the social issues, right? So we are very much excited to celebrate, and this is my gentle promise that whole of my team would be included in that very ceremony. So thank you very much once again. Thank you very much, my audience, my team, Shubham, Vadhva family, Aneja family, and all my big audience throughout world. Thank you very much.
Thanks. Congrats, sir.
Thank you very much.
Congrats, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Congratulations.